All right, people, everyone over here, let's do the ABC analysis for our CA Intermediate Taxation GST. Everyone over here now, listen. The ABC analysis which I am going to say, I will go ahead and tell you from the chart book. Right, everyone? The chart book version 4, which is there for your May 23 exam. From the chart book, I'll tell you what are the important points. I feel, my feeling and examiner ka feeling can be different. Right, everyone? Always remember, my feeling and examiner who's setting the paper can be different. But I will tell you what are the points at least you should not miss and go. Are we clear, everyone? Let's go ahead and now do the ABC analysis for your CA Intermediate May 23 exam. Everyone over here now, please come to your first chart, everyone. The first chart, GST in India and introduction, is a B graded chart. Sir, what are the points we should take care? In my opinion, this central taxes, state taxes subsumed is an A graded point. You should be very careful about it. Okay? Sir, dual model and GSP and ISP B graded. From exam point of view, B graded. People, the chapter is B graded. I'm telling you in B graded also topics which are ABC. Now, here on the right hand side, this please be careful. They can go ahead and ask a 1 mark question. What goods pay, what GST? Here, please read article 246, article number 269 and article number 279A. Please read. Please do these these two articles at least. Common portal, please do it. Done, everyone? You know, whatever points I have told you over here, at least try to do a one question and go. One question for at least these points. Right, everyone? B graded chapter, 3 marks is the maximum expected out of this chapter. What if they ask you 4? It's okay. Can I go ahead, everyone? Next. Everyone over here, please come to the next chart. This one, C minus graded. It is just for your understanding purpose, what is goods and what is service. Are we clear? It's just for your understanding, but you should know what is goods and service. If your basics are not clear, you will get stuck. So you can call it A also, you can call it minus C graded also. Yes or no? Your understanding of GST my goods and service is very important. Next. Supply, A graded. A plus graded. Student who doesn't know this chart, God save. Take everyone. Now, in this A graded also, listen. In this A graded, in my opinion, 7.1C, very, very important. Section number 7.2, A and B is very, very important. A and B, very important. Sir, other than that, taxability of composite supply, mixed supply is very important. And this circular may, I've marked 3 circulars. Can you see over here? 1, 2, 3 circular. Very, very important, everyone. Right, everyone? Whatever I've done pink, please be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are we clear, everyone? Other than this, in this chart, I've gone ahead and told you one place relating to contractual agreement, there is an amendment. Correct? Then land ka labeling wala part which is there. And sir, this 5E may, one small change is there, right, everyone? Please be careful about the amendment. A plus 100%, 5 to 6 marks they will ask you. Please be very careful. Baba, this chart you should read it completely properly. But I've told you at least on the day of the exam, what are the points you should see and go. Can I go ahead, everyone? Next. Everyone over here, this chart, 7, section number 9.3, the most important part. That's it. Section number 9.3. You have to go ahead and do and go. All of them you do it. Baba, what I'm telling is, still, on the day of exam, point number 1, government related services, 5AA, this, director, music composer, author. Okay? Hey, you do all of them. No, you do all of them. Because all of them, anything can be asked here. Chumma, we can't go ahead and take so much risk. Yes or no, everyone? Please do it. Section number 9.3, very, very important from exam point of view. A graded chart, 4 marks to 5 marks will 100% ask. Can I go ahead, everyone? Next. Composition levy, B graded. Please remember, people who are eligible, people who are not eligible. Eligible is mines, eligible is MTR, ineligible is mines, And please remember 10-2A. If you are ineligible under 10-1 and 10-2, you can come to 10-2A. Remember what is the limit? Remember MTR के लिए what is the limit? 1.5 and 75. Are we clear? Please remember the limits. And sir, this 10% wala point. MTR allowed to provide additional service how much? Last year का turnover का 10%. Okay? And this last 2 point. When you are checking how much pay you have to pay tax, and sir, when you are checking eligibility, these 2 points, please be careful. Are we clear, everyone? I feel this B graded chapter ka, these points which I have told you in pink are A graded topic. Are we clear, everyone? Next. This chapter, B graded, 4 marks they can go ahead and ask. Please come to registration, everyone. Registration A graded, 4 marks. Everyone, registration is A graded. First chart, 22, 23, 24, you can't leave anything. 100% everything has to be done. 25, please mark this. If you apply within 30 days, if you don't apply within 30 days, correct? This point you should do and go. You should remember 25-1 में this point. You should apply for registration within 30 days. CTP and RTP, 5 days prior. SEZ or unit or developer, separate. TWI nearest coastal state. Please be very careful. Can I go ahead, everyone? Then, this rule number 10B, you can remember. Other than this, Baba, I am telling you, what I am telling you is A graded topics which are very good topics. Other than that, anything can be asked. Yes or no, everyone? Now, here, this point, this may, you must see 6A, 6B, 6C and 6D. Must see. Must see. I am telling whatever points I am telling now on the day of the exam. Morning, wake up, 2 hours, you see it and then go. Okay, everyone? Other points you will study now. It is not that from today only you are studying only this much. Everyone here now. 28 में core field का amendment, please be very careful. And core field का amendment के लिए what is the process? ठीक है everyone? Rule number 21A, okay. 29 में 29.1 and 29.2, very very important. 29.1 and 29.2, when your registration can be cancelled. Done, everyone? Please come to exemption. Please come to exemption. Baba, registration I told you, no? A graded chapter, 4 marks. Exemption I am telling A plus. Why, sir? 4 to 6 marks this time in the exam you will be able to see. All amendment must do. All amendments you must do on the day of the exam. You can't leave them. Okay, everyone? Sir, this chart is B graded other than the amendment part. Okay, everyone? Please be careful about the amendment. Otherwise, this chart is B graded. Next, government related service. I will call that B graded, but please be careful about the post wala services ka amendment. Right? Next one. Baba, this is A plus. A plus. Because there are a lot of small changes, right, everyone? A plus chart. This is C graded. Okay. This is B, I have told you. Because agriculture may not many changes are there, but 2 marks, 1 small point they can ask. Okay, everyone? Next. I have told you over here, amendment wala part, please be careful. Okay, everyone? Next. Healthcare A graded. Baba, 1-2 mark ka question they will ask. A graded. Please be very careful. IVF is treatment for pregnancy. Exempt. Next. Legal service C graded. I have told you. It is not that you will not read legal services. I'm telling you again, A graded topics are to be read on the day of the exam and going for the exam. Okay? This one, B graded, I have told you. This is C graded chart. C graded. Okay, once reading is enough. A, lot of small changes. Baba, tour operator service. My feeling, they should ask. My feeling. Next, everyone over here. Haha, A plus. Baba, 6 marks. Why 6? Because this along with ITC ka chapter, they will mix and give you a big question, 6 to 8 mark ka. You must know how to calculate section number 15.1, add topics and discount. Please, these 3 you must know. Circulars are B graded. You can do it once, but sir, A, this one is very important. Can I go ahead, everyone? Everyone over here. Tax invoice chapter. People, tax invoice chapter, listen. No, B graded. 3 to 4 mark. Okay, everyone? Now listen. In this, first of all, A graded is your amendments, right everyone? A graded is your amendment. Okay, everyone? And section number 31.3 is B graded. 31.3, revised tax invoice, no tax invoice, bill of supply, receipt voucher, refund voucher. This is B graded. Okay, everyone? Continuous supply of goods, continuous supply of service, and goods sent on approval. Please take care of them. At least these points you see on the day of exam and go. Next, can I go ahead, everyone? B graded. E-way bill, everyone. Shall I call it C or B? Sir, B. Nothing for me is C because you can't leave anything and go. Everyone here now, listen. When is e-way bill required? Very important. How do you find out consignment value? How do you find out? Consignment value means supposingly I issued an invoice. Invoice including GST is the consignment value. Correct? If I issued a bill of supply, I will not charge GST. Whatever is the bill of supply amount, that is consignment value. If I issue delivery challan, whatever amount I show in the delivery challan, that is the value of, that is the consignment value. If I issue tax invoice come bill of supply, exempt supply ka value has to be deducted. Please remember. Okay? Next. Sir, how to find out validity? Please remember validity. When is e-way bill not required? Please be careful. When is e-way bill not required? These four are the most important part. Everyone over here now. And this one, when is e-way bill will be blocked? When your e-way bill can be blocked? Everyone, please come down. Time of supply, B graded. 3 to 4 marks. Sir, please do 12 to 12.3, 13 to 13.3. Must do 1 question. Baba, this. And the last one, importation. Can you see over here? These 5 points may 1 question you should do properly everyone. Okay? Chalo, next. ITC chapter, A plus graded. A plus graded everyone. On the day of exam, please see the conditions and go. Please see rule number 37 related, what I gave you example. Okay? 16.4, please be very careful. Done everyone? Can I go ahead? This chart, if you remember everything, that is very good. Sir, next, this one, C. Okay, C once. Block credit, A, 4 marks, 3 to 4 marks. Basically, it will be a part of a big question. That first wala question, they'll tell you, this is your sales, so output tax liability. This is your purchases, so that will give you input. In purchase, you should see whatever is blocked, don't take the credit. Please be very careful. 100% this will come. Okay, everyone? Next. 99%. This is C graded, everyone. B or C? B. B. Okay. In this also, sir, C is section number 18.1, 18.6. On the day of exam. Otherwise, you'll read everything. Huh? Done, everyone? Payment of tax. A, not A plus, but A graded. Why, sir? Because when you get a big question, no, you'll get output minus input. Then whatever is the output, say input setting off will be there. That set off ke liye you should know how to do setting off. Okay, everyone? You should know section number 50, read with rule number 88B. That and here remember 18% is the interest which is payable. Always, it is not 24. Please be very careful. 18%. Okay? 86A, 86B is B graded. In the, both of them say anyone can come. B graded. Sir, can I transfer the amount? Yes. And how to make payment of taxes? Please be careful. Okay, everyone? That's it. I've marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, everyone? Can I go ahead? Next. Returns. Ahaha, returns. Return is actually, listen. No. Okay, see. See. Listen, but still I feel that there are small amendments in the chapter. There are small amendment. They will go ahead and tell you, sir, Ram did not file his previous GSTR1. Can he file his next GSTR1? Sir, no, you can't file. Ram did not file his GSTR1. Can he go ahead and file GSTR3B? No. He did not file GSTR3B. Can he file next GSTR3B? No. All these important points which are there, no? Please read them properly and go, okay? Okay, sir. Here, Hey, this late we know. What if they ask you one MCQ? ठीक है? This NRTP wala small point. And here GST practitioner, C minus graded, but still eligibility and functions. Please see and go. Okay, everyone. This is my opinion about the points you should take care of. Now listen, everyone. This ABC analysis is purely my opinion. My opinion and examiner's opinion will not be same always. Right, everyone? Now what I'm telling, you should study everything. You should revise everything from the revisionary and you should practice question answer. But all the important points I've told you on the day of the exam, you must see and go and remember also so that you can write. Right, everyone? People watching at home, if you enjoyed the video, you have to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Have a great day, everyone. Take care. Bye, all. All the best for your exam. Practice. We are going to rock it. Bye, guys.